Hey, what is going on, everybody? Welcome to the 22nd Selenium WebDriver tutorial. Again, my name is Abhilash, and in the previous tutorial we have seen how we can compare the two strings in Java. So basically we have seen how we can get the data and store it in a string. That is, we get the data from a web page and store in a string variable, and we had another string variable containing our expected data, and basically how we can compare both the actual as well as expected data and print a particular statement if there is a match, and if in case there is not a match due to some reason, then we print another statement in the else statement of Java. So basically in this tutorial we will be looking into a new method in order to navigate to a web page. So basically till now we have seen just one method, that is the get method, in which we have provided the URL that we want to open. So basically we have another method that we can use, that is to navigate. So let's quickly comment this, and we have another method which we will be using in this tutorial, that is driver dot navigate. So basically instead of get we can make use of navigate, and dot we have some more methods inside that. We have the sequence of methods that we can use. So basically uh, the method that you can use in order to navigate to a particular URL is navigate dot to, and in the same way like we have specified in the get method, we are supposed to provide the string, that is the URL, and end it with a semicolon. So basically this is the sequence of methods that we are supposed to use, that is driver dot navigate dot to, and provide the URL that we want to open. So basically this is the way we can navigate, and instead of get method. Now the difference between navigate and get is we do not have any history that is stored while using the get method. So if you want to come back to that particular page, say suppose if you get this URL, if you directly go to this particular URL using the get method and click on this link, so basically whatever the history that was there, that is the previous page, you won't be able to go back. The only way in order to go back to that particular page is again use the get method and provide the entire URL like how we have done previously. But using the navigate dot to method and providing the URL, you can make use of some more methods inside this navigate in order to go back to the previous page. So if you want to go back to this previous page, you can quickly go back using the methods inside that navigate. So we are going to see those methods today in this tutorial. So since we have navigated to our desired URL and clicked on login link in order to provide the username and password, and again we have clicked on the button as in this case, and in the end after comparing both the strings, say suppose if you want to go back to that particular URL, that is your home page. So if you see this the execution takes you to the page. So as you can see, I have started the execution, and again it has opened the URL successfully, that is of this particular page. We have used the navigate method in this case, and it has clicked on login, and previously it has logged into this particular page. Now if you want to go back to this particular page again, so what we can do is, after all our comparison is done, we can make use of the back method, that is driver dot navigate dot back. So if we execute this statement, in the end you will be redirected back to this particular URL that was opened initially. So if you quickly execute this, let's execute this in the Firefox browser. So as you can see, it will direct to the home page, and quickly it has logged in to that particular web page, that is our login.html page, and navigated back to this particular home page. Alright, so we have seen how we can navigate back to that page again that was previously visited, and as you can see we have this results did not match since we didn't change this lowercase letter to uppercase letter, that is logged in this logged in string the letter L was uppercase. So now it will be executed and it will successfully match the expected data. Okay, and since we have navigated back, now there is one more method that we can make use of, that is driver dot navigate dot forward. So basically what it will do is it will log in first and the comparison will be done, and it will navigate back to the home page that was initially opened, and then it will go forward again, that is it will go to the login page again. So in order to check this, that is in order to make it visible for the user, since the execution is very fast, what we can do is we can put a sleep, that is thread dot sleep. So basically this method is used in order to stop the execution for a particular time period, and it throws the some exception. So as you can see, it throws the interrupted exception. So you can quickly put the stop method, that is slip method, if you want to check the execution of statements anywhere. So basically as you can see, if we execute this after going back to the home page, what it will do is it will wait for 3 seconds. 1 2 3. Okay, it has navigated forward and again it has come back to the login page. So this is the way we can use the navigate dot back and navigate dot forward method if we have opened the URL using the navigate dot to method instead of the get method. So this is the another alternative for the get method, and based on the requirements of the test automation design, we can use the required methods in our test automation scripts. So this is the way we can use the navigate methods, and that's it in this tutorial. Catch you guys in the next tutorial. Have a nice one.